Once upon a time, in a quiet town named Ravenswood, there was an old, spooky house called Blackthorn Manor. People said it was cursed, and those who went inside never came back the same. A new family, the Smiths, moved to Ravenswood and decided to live in Blackthorn Manor. They thought the scary stories were just silly, but when night came, strange whispers filled the air, making the family uneasy. Every night, the Smiths heard these eerie whispers. The whispers got louder, and the family started having bad dreams. The dreams felt real, like they were part of something spooky. The family began to change. They couldn't sleep, and their happy faces turned scared. The whispers spoke about old curses, angry spirits, and secrets from the past. The Smiths found a hidden room with old pictures. Each picture showed scared people who had lived in the house before. It seemed like the curse fed on the secrets hidden in the walls. As the family learned more, they discovered a dark story about Ravenswood, a tale of betrayal, revenge, and making a deal with spooky forces. The angry spirits didn't like strangers in their home, and they wanted to take the Smiths' souls. The family had to choose. Let the curse take over, or find a way to stop it. They hurried through the spooky house, facing ghosts and fighting against the scary force. In the middle of Blackthorn Manor, they found the source of the curse, a sad spirit trapped in a never-ending loop of sadness. The family said sorry and promised to break the curse. The spirit felt better, and the spooky house became quiet. When the sun came up in Ravenswood, the Smith family left Blackthorn Manor. They were different now, having seen scary things. The whispers were gone, but the memories of the spooky house stayed with them, reminding them that some places have stories that linger between the living and the not-so-living.